Okay, the lesson for today is the standard deviation, and it's the average distances of the points from the mean. Okay, to start, let's review some of the concepts we already learned. First off is the mean. The mean is the average of the numbers, or the average in a data set. Okay, the median is the middle number if we arrange the numbers in order. And then the mode would be the highest frequency number, the most occurring number. Then we go to the range, which is just the maximum minus the minimum. And so we've given a set of data points here, and we are asked to find the mean, median, mode, and range. And so for those of you who have calculator, you can just encode this in your calculator and do the one variable stat. And for some who don't have calculator, we can just copy and paste that data set in one of our online calculators. So I've copied it and copy paste it here, and then hit calculate, and so it gives us the numbers. So we got the x bar, the mean right here, it's 10, the median is 10.5, the mode is 11. Okay, so let's encode that, and we are also given here the range, which is 16. Okay, so let's just write down all of those. So our mean is 10, and our median is 10.5. Our mode would be 11. See, it occurs twice right here, 11, and then our range is 16, which is just the max, which is 18, minus the minimum of 2. Okay, then the standard deviation is the average distance, of the points from the mean. Okay, let me erase that. So copy it in your notes. Let me erase this so I can have some space to write the formula for the standard deviation. Okay. And so the standard deviation actually is going to be computed by getting the square root of the summation of the difference, or the summation of the distances of each of the points from the mean, and that would be x minus the mean, and then we are going to square it, divided by n minus 1. Okay. It's supposed to be this one right here, this expression x minus x bar is the distance. Like for example, the first point is 2, and 2 is, so if you are going to do 2 minus our mean, this is our mean right here, 2 minus 10, and then we square it, and that would give us 8, and then that would be 64. So the first sum, this one is 64, and then we are going to proceed to the next number, 3. So 3 minus 10, and then we square it, and that would give us 7. That would be 49. So basically we are going to get the distances and square it for each of these points right here. Okay, and then we are going to sum it all. So we sum this one, 64, 49, and so on and so forth, and That's what we have right here, the summation. And then we divide the total sum by n minus 1. Okay, we are not going to be doing that manually. Okay, we are going to be using technology to find the mean. Okay, and if you're using our online calculator, if you look right here, the S, it's already given right here for us. It's computed for us. It's 5.22. So let's just go back right there and write it. Oops. Okay. The standard deviation S for this data is going to be S is 5.22. Oops. 5.2. 5.22. Okay. Okay. Oh, then we just repeat it right here. We're just going to say the mean is 10. The standard deviation, or also designated as S, the standard deviation is 5.22. The median is 10.5, and then the range is 16. Okay. And so let's go. What does the standard mean? Okay, so what is the meaning of the standard deviation? It means that all these points are on average 5.22 units away from the mean. Okay, so let's just write that. The numbers are on average 5.22 units away from the mean. There you go. Okay, that's our worksheet. I've answered the first one for you. So you are going to do 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, so yep, and then submit on Schoology. That's it.